Most lean programs don't fail in the factory. They fail in the CEO's calendar. I've seen organizations invest millions into lean, training teams, hiring consultants, rolling out tools, and 12 months later, not much has changed. Not because lean doesn't work, but because leadership never changed how they operate. Want to know the truth? The CEO loves the idea of lean, efficiency, performance, continuous improvement, but they absolutely hate the discipline that comes with it. Daily accountability, standard work for leaders, visible problems, and real consequences. So what happens? Gemba walks become optional, metrics get reviewed monthly instead of daily, and problems get managed and not solved. And continuous improvement becomes just another slogan on the wall. The results are lower adoption, zero accountability and sustainability, and a very expensive lesson. Lean is not a toolkit, it's a leadership system. If leadership doesn't change its behavior, the organization won't change its results. And remember, you cannot delegate discipline.